Why is that my fan is making so much noise like this? This is not normal. Just taking you here a bit because I need sardines.
Huh? What the fuck?
What is your problem?
I don't know.
How is it going for you guys? Don't hesitate to answer in the comments. This is the second vlog, I would say the second episode. First of all, I wanted to start like this. Thank you very much for your support, for your message, for your comments, for all of the DMs I received. For me, that was not expected. I was really touched from some of you because I know that this is not that easy to admit being laid off. You see, like this is a subject like in the society, you need to show that you're still active, but sometimes market is market and you know, like you're not in the control, which means that sometimes you want to hide yourself and I totally understand that. But this year, I wanted to make it different, which means that if I am laid off, then I assume that and I will make some noise until I'm finding a solution behind, and at least I'm staying in motion, as I told you yesterday. So for those of you who did not watch my story, like there is the previous vlog, and also like I'm gonna relaunch my YouTube channel again because I gave it up since last year, my bad. So YouTube is gonna punish me as well, but you know, let it be.
What? Child. Anyway, so.
And at the same time, I saw some of you being admitted in the Avalanche Team 1. So guys, congratulations. I mean, that's cool. That will be my turn one day. I'm still keeping faith. That's it. Oh, my English. This is the end of the day. English is not my native language. I do my best. And today I watched some news from the market. So I thought it was a good idea to share you like the top 5 of what I've watched. I'm sorry if you're hearing a duck, it's normal. Okay, I don't know what's happening. That's it. The first news I saw, which could be relevant to share with you, is about the US and the job they created, as they created only like 57,000 new jobs last month. However, the market expected the double. Some of you might think that the stock market has crashed, but this is not the case, as the stock market just had its best in 2 months. The thing is, when fewer people get hired, the Fed has a reason to keep money cheap, and when money is cheap, people buy more stocks. So the bad news for new workers can be a very good news for the stock market. That sounds weird, but that works. So what's next? We are waiting for the next big Fed decision in 28-29 of July. Then the next one, the unemployment rate that went down to 4.2%, which is another really good news. People stopped looking for a job completely, so they're not just counted anymore. But if you count them back in, the real number is 5%, well, according to some economists. So lesson learned, never trust one number alone. Always ask who is counted, who is not. If you want to check, there is the Fred, which is a free website with official US economic data. Then oil. Big panic first, then back to normal. So a few weeks ago, with the war with Iran, oil prices jumping, and everyone's scared. Today, it seems like oil is back to where it was before the war, as big producers are pumping more, and there's a peace deal on the table. As I'm saying, as always, geopolitics making the noise, but macro decides the direction. Then AI, of course, which is carrying the whole market. Indexes at records, powered almost entirely by AI spendings, while the real economy cools. And inside tech, software stocks dropped, so around 20% on fears agentic AI replaces them. And the last point, Bitcoin, around $61K, and it went up after the bad jobs news. So as the first point, let's wait for the Fed next meeting. Et voilà, I think it's enough for today. I'm gonna take some rest. Breathe in, breathe out, let's say. Listening to music. I hope that you are doing the same. Are you going to holidays? I'm answering to the comments. So if you want to rate me, please comment this vlog. I hope that was not boring. That's my first shootout. So if you have some feedbacks, don't hesitate. If you're a financial market expert or you love economy, you love geopolitics, or you like finance, please send me some feedbacks. Let's share. And if you don't agree as well, please comment. That's the best thing to do. And to finish, the most important thing I want to know is, what did you do today?